superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, किसी से डरते हैं, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little.
Salam, namaste, sat sri akal, yali madad, and hello, my beautiful loving people. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Little Superstars here on NTV Houston. Our little superstar today has twinkle in her eyes and pep in her step. Her cooking skills are gonna have you asking for seconds. Her TikTok movies are gonna have you grooving. She is also a voiceover artist. Please put your hands together and welcome our star for today, Devishi Nayak.
के साथ रहते हैं, बस आगे ही बढ़ते हैं, ना कभी किसी से डरते हैं. हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little.
All right, and please put your hands together for Devishi's mom, Chaitali Nayak.
जाते हैं, आए पढ़ने का वक्त तो रिकॉर्ड हम तोड़
Hi.
जाते हैं. हम हैं little superstar.
How are you?
Little superstar.
Same, have a seat.
Little superstar, little superstar.
Welcome, Devishi. How do you feel being on the sets of Little Superstar today?
I feel excited and nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Okay, I'm nervous because I haven't done something like this in a long time.
And why are you excited?
Because I'm gonna be on TV.
Well, yes, and so the excitement should triumph over your nervousness because being on TV is the goal of life, right?
Yeah.
For you?
Yeah.
I've heard that from your parents, that that's your ultimate dream to be on
Yeah.
TV. All right, Chaitali, how do you feel being on the sets today?
I'm really feeling good because it's like her dream come true. This is for first time she's coming like on live chat show.
Right.
She has done some drama and stuff, but live chat show, it's her first time. So I'm really feeling good about it.
Well, I'm glad. So, Devishi, let's start off with some of your hobbies. What are some things that you love to do?
Okay, I have been dancing and acting from like since I was born.
Uh-huh.
But
Since she was born.
yeah,
Okay, okay.
something like
I'm
that.
listening.
But quarantine's got me cooking.
Cooking.
So, yes.
So, what do you love to cook?
I love to cook cake.
Cake. So, you've been baking.
Baking.
Yeah.
Okay. What kinds of cakes have you baked so far?
I have made coffee cake, chocolate cake, and marble cake.
How come you didn't bring me some?
I don't know.
Because we were quarantined.
So, you tell me, what was your favorite cake that she baked?
To be very honest, everything.
Everything.
Because it was with all her love and yeah, it was amazing.
But I was talking to her and she told me that she's not allowed to cook. Because why?
Actually, मुझे ही नहीं चाहिए कि वो cook करे
क्यों?
क्योंकि I have enjoyed my childhood.
हाँ.
I never been to kitchen.
Huh.
I was just enjoying my childhood and it is not her age to do this.
youngest.
So I want her to enjoy
Right.
because this is something women have to do all her life.
Right.
So I don't want her to get mature before her age. Yeah, she should learn something, but I don't want her to be so much into cooking.
But एक बात बताओ, ये क्वारंटीन में ना हर बच्चा, बूढ़ा, औरत, मर्द सब कुकिंग ही कर रहे हैं.
Yes,
Seriously?
स्पेशली केक बना रहे हैं.
हाँ.
कुकिंग में भी स्पेशली सारे लोग केक ही बना रहे हैं.
Fat. Eating it and getting fat.
Yep, that's the goal.
Yes.
That's what we
Yeah.
have been
Yeah.
doing, eating and getting fat.
Hmm.
So, Devishi, I know, like you said, you've been acting and dancing since you were born. Okay. So, did you ever take any dance classes, or was it something you learned through TV or YouTube videos?
No, I did take dance classes with my friends, and it was so fun. And I learned 3 dances, and I performed 2 of them in, I think, Diwali. I don't
The
really.
Diwali Mela,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, and it was really fun.
Okay. So, how did you feel when she first told you, "Okay, Mama, मुझे dancing का शौक है या acting का शौक है"? तुझे कैसा लगा?
मुझे तो अच्छा ही लगेगा बिकॉज ये मेरा खुद का शौक है. इवन आई एम बॉर्न एक्टर, आई कैन से. सो या मुझे तो चाहिए कि वे और भी सीखे, कुछ अपनी स्किल्स और डेवलप करे.
So, आपको कैसा लगता है जब ये बेकिंग वगैरह करती है? मैंने सुना है कि आपको नहीं पसंद है कि ये किचन में जाए.
मुझे इसीलिए नहीं पसंद है क्योंकि ये वक्त से पहले बड़ी हो रही है और मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि वो हो. मैंने मेरा चाइल्डहुड बहुत इंजॉय किया है, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया काम, मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बहुत ही पैम्पर किया है. एंड फॉर वुमेन किचन एंड वर्क एवरीथिंग इज़ लाइक फॉर एवर. सो मुझे चाहिए कि अभी उसका चाइल्डहुड वो इंजॉय करे, साइकिलिंग करे, स्पोर्ट्स करे, नई नई चीज़ें सीखे, कैलीग्राफी सीखे, ये सब चीज़ें सीखे. अच्छा है वो कुकिंग सीख रही है, बट शी इज सो मच इनटू इट. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डोंट वांट.
कि उसको शेफ बनना हो सकता है.
हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई
आपसे तो नहीं कर रही कि चलो हाँ मैं जिंदगी भर खाना ही पकाना है.
आई अग्री, उसको शेफ
I'm
बनना
not
है.
gonna get married. I'm gonna stay with mommy my
Aw.
entire life.
Oh, you're gonna stay with mommy. So those are your thoughts on marriage?
Yeah.
You don't want to get married?
No.
Okay, we're gonna look at this interview like 10 years later. I'm gonna.
Yes.
Everyone I tell to, they always say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because practically everybody eventually then they get married.
So how did you feel when she came up to you और इसने आपको बोला कि इसको dancing में और acting में शौक है? So what was your first reaction?
मुझे पता ही था कि ये बोलेगी बिकॉज शी इज़ माई डॉटर एंड आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक बॉर्न आर्टिस्ट. इट्स नॉट आर्टिस्ट बट देन मुझे भी बचपन से ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छी लगती थी. सिंगिंग है, डांसिंग है, एक्टिंग. एक्चुअली एक्टिंग इज़ माई मेन
forte. तो आपने किया है acting, dancing, singing?
एक्चुअली आई एम अ स्क्रिप्ट राइटर. मैं खुद स्क्रिप्ट राइट करती हूँ प्लेस के लिए. वॉइस ओवर हम दोनों ने किया हुआ है बहुत सारे डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए, प्लस एक्टिंग भी की हुई है हम लोगों ने. बट यही है कि हम कभी बॉलीवुड वो सब प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं आए. जो भी हमने किया है वो हमारे रिलीजियस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ही किया है. सो या
Script writing, mommy says.
Wait,
Yeah.
but I remember once when I was little, I wrote this script about a husband and wife. I don't remember the storyline, but I did, and I showed mommy, and she got so happy. Remember, I wrote a script once.
So you just did it out of nowhere, or did
Yeah.
you have like homework or an assignment
No,
that mommy
I
gave
just
you?
did it out of nowhere. It
Oh
was
wow!
fun.
Okay. Well, so tell me this. So you told me she does voiceover as well.
Mhm.
So at what age did she start that?
she was 4.5 when she
Okay.
did first time in Paris studio which is in Lokhandwala, Mumbai.
Okay.
So she did first time at 4.5.
So what was it for? Like, was it for a show
That-
or?
That was for my religious play, and she did over there.
So Devashim, out of all the things that you do singing, you're making a lot of TikTok videos. Okay, coming to TikTok, how did you start your TikTok journey?
Okay, so I remember my cousins were over, like they came from India, and they were telling me about, it was Musical.ly first,
Right,
remember?
it was.
So they were telling me about it, and I was like, I should get it too. Like they have it, why can't I get it too? So then I downloaded it and I started, and I made the cringiest videos ever.
Cringiest?
Yes, they were really cringy.
Okay.
And then when it turned into TikTok, I started like getting the trends and everything.
Right.
So I started doing it like that. I still don't really get that many likes, but it's fun.
Okay. Well, I've seen some of your videos and they are to die for. I love your expressions and just your moves. It gets me grooving. So thank you for posting those videos online. Okay. So tell me this. I saw you dance at the Diwali Mela.
Yeah.
How long did it take for you to practice that dance? Because that dance was phenomenal.
I think it took about a month. We had classes every 2 times a week. And so the teacher would actually come to my house and teach there. But as the Mela kept coming closer, we went to different places. We went to her house once. We went to the stage. And the first time I went there, I was so scared.
Yeah, it's a whole different feeling
Yeah.
when you're on the stage and when you look at the ground and you imagine that there are going to be so many people sitting there.
Yeah.
So how long was the entire practice? Like a couple weeks or a month? How long did it take for you?
A month or so. I'd
Oh,
say.
that's not too bad.
Yeah.
Some people take years and years of practice
Yeah.
to perform on stage, but so that was very good on your end. So now tell me this. I know that you love acting. Do you have anything prepared for me today that you could show our audience?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. तुम एक बार बोल दिए ना, नहीं करनी है शादी, नहीं समझ आता, बहुत घटिया हरकत की हो, हमारे घर रिश्ता बिछ के, अगली बार थाने में कंप्लेन कर देंगे, मोलेस्टेशन के जुर्म में सीधा अंदर हो जाओगे, ये बात अपने भेजे में घुसा कर ताला मारो.
Very nice. So that dialogue was from the
Isn't it?
movie Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya,
Yeah.
and you did a great job. So so did you know that I was going to put you on the spot and have you deliver the dialogue or?
No, because I've seen a lot of interviews. I like as soon as my favorite actor or actress's movie come out, I watch like interviews of them like all day. So I know what they do. So I try to prepare. Yes.
Very nice, smart girl. तो ये जब ये डायलॉग रिहर्स करती है घर पे तो आपको पता होता है कि ये कर रही है या ये मिरर के सामने अलग अपने रूम में जाके कर रही होती है? Like, have you ever seen her practice? Is my question.
No.
You've never seen her practice.
She always surprise me. वो खाना बनाए, वो एक्टिंग करे, वो डांस करे, उसकी हर चीज़ सरप्राइज होती है. So मुझे अचानक ही आके वो सामने दिखाते हैं कि मैं देखो I'm prepared with this thing. So yeah, it's a surprise package.
Okay, Devishi, there was one thing that I connected with you when I first heard about you and your transition from India to America. I connected with you because I had the same journey. So how was your transition from India to here? Was it hard or was it something that you didn't want in the first place?
I really wanted to come here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
okay.
Because like my real reason why I'm gonna be honest here is because of Disneyland and Disney World.
So she's gonna be honest. She just wanted to be here for Disneyland and Disney
Yeah,
World.
but then as soon as I came here, I did not see Disneyland and Disney World everywhere. So I was like, I don't like this place anymore.
So
And then I started getting homesick and missing my family. And school was pretty tough. My first school that I went to, I was in 2nd grade. I didn't have friends really, but I did catch up to the accent really fast. And now when I go to school and I tell people that I'm from India, they're like, oh my god, your accent is pretty good.
Yeah, that is for a fact pretty good, and I'm glad that you caught up to school because I know some kids who have such a hard time with the transition and they do get homesick. So coming back to the homesick topic, what is something that you miss the most about India and that you don't have here?
It's not something, it's someone.
Someone. Who
Oh.
is that someone?
It's my mom's mom.
Mom's mom. So your grandma.
Yes, I miss her so much. Are you crying?
No, me too.
Oh.
You were crying.
Mommy got emotional.
I'm so
It's
sorry.
Okay. It's okay. No. I'm glad that this show is bringing out emotions in people. That's very nice. But don't be sad.
I know.
See her soon. And so Devishi, tell me this. So when you came here, right? Of course, in India, Mumbai, we are able to travel right away. We think about this. Oh, aaj pani puri khana. Let's go. And we just take rickshaw or bus and we're out there. So how did you feel when you first came here and there was no other means other than a car? Like your parents had to take you everywhere. So how was that?
Okay, so when I first came here, like there are different driving rules, right?
Right.
So it was really hard because I had to walk everywhere and I was so tired. So I kept trying to take shortcuts, but the shortcuts I thought were shortcuts were actually long cuts. So I was so tired, and I'm in Texas, so the sun is really hot. So
And so are you.
And did you, so of course when you came, right now you're still in elementary school or are you in middle school?
Oh, I'm gonna go to middle school.
You're gonna go to middle school. Okay. So was there ever a time when you came from India, right? And of course when you first came, you weren't caught up with the accents and stuff. So was there ever a time when you got bullied in school?
No, I've never been bullied.
Really?
No.
Because I sure was when I first
Really?
moved here. But I moved here.
Yeah, but she got cornered many times. That's what she
Got
always used to
cornered.
say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is an interesting topic because I connect to it so much, but we have to take a short commercial break and we'll be right back in conversation with Devishi Nayak here on our show Little Superstars. We'll be right back.
हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar.
मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट जहां की फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स, स्पाइसेस, फ्रोजन फूड आइटम्स आपको सबसे अच्छे प्राइस में मिलेंगी और हलाल ज़बीहा मीट भी मिलेगा। दाम मनपसंद, नाम मनपसंद, तो फिर क्यों ना जाए मनपसंद। Located at Wilcrest Drive, Houston, North Highway and William Cannon Drive, Austin, Texas। तो नाम याद रखिएगा, मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट।
59 और वेस्ट बेलफोर्ड पर है नुक्कड़ ढाबा, जहां के मशहूर जमाना बॉम्बे तंदूरी चिकन, पहाड़ी बोटी, चिकन चटपटा और बटर चिकन तो आप जानते ही होंगे। अगर आप बॉम्बे चाइनीज खाना पसंद करते हैं तो जरूर उनके चिकन लॉलीपॉप और चिकन चिली ट्राई करिएगा। और एनटीवी ह्यूस्टन का नाम लेने पर स्पेशल है $99 में कॉर्न सूप। सुबह 8 से लेकर रात के 2 बजे तक नुक्कड़ ढाबा आपकी खिदमत के लिए खुला होता है। फॉर टेक आउट एंड अदर इंक्वायरीज कॉल 281-575-1178 at the corner of West Belfort and 59 नुक्कड़ ढाबा।
शुगरलैंड की सबसे बड़ी सुपरमार्केट अलरबा वर्ल्ड फूड, 61,000 स्क्वायर फीट पर फैला देसी और विदेशी शॉपिंग के लिए वन स्टॉप शॉप,
जहां ग्रोसरी से लेकर ब्यूटी सर्विसेज तक, बैंक से लेकर होम फर्निशिंग तक।
लोकेटेड इन न्यू टेरिटरी एरिया एट यूनिवर्सिटी एंड ग्रैंड पार्कवे।
ये है वन स्टॉप शॉप डेस्टिनेशन।
Alraba World Food. For more information, call Amir Ali at 512-652-8462.
When it comes to protecting yourself and your partners, all the information out there can be overwhelming. Visit our website. We are a free and confidential service striving to help you stay informed and stay notified. We are committed to a healthy Houston.
Houston's only Cadillac to your door dealer, Ron Carter Cadillac, delivers test drives to your home or office. Drive the new 2020 Cadillac XT4, only $399 a month, or the new 2020 XT5, only $429 a month, both for 39 months lease with just $1 down. Or purchase the XT4 or XT5 and enjoy 0.9% APR for 72 months with no payments until November. RonCarterCadillac.com.
हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार।
Welcome back after the break. We're in conversation with Devishi Nayak and Chaitali Nayak. So Devishi, before going on break, we touched a very sensitive topic about bullying, and you said you were never bullied. But your mommy said you were cornered. So tell me an occasion when that happened.
Okay, so there were people that like I wanted to be friends with, and they would say yes when they wanted to play with me.
Right.
And when they needed another person to make
Right.
the game like start.
Right.
So that's when they used to call me, and when I used to say, why not play this? Because I'm not really that sporty.
Right.
So they used to say, no, we want to play this. And then I had to play because I had nothing.
So
else.
you had no voice.
Yeah.
You basically had to listen to what they had
Yeah.
to say. And that's why you felt kind of left aside
Yeah.
or cornered. Well, the reason I said I was bullied was because when I first moved here, I was in high school. So of course, high school is a whole
Yeah.
different ballgame. So you
Hardcore.
understand.
Yeah.
That's why the bullying topic. Okay, so tell me this. We've already talked about you missing your grandma.
Yeah.
But what is something, not someone,
Okay,
that you
yeah.
miss about India?
Something. Okay.
Mhm.
I miss rickshaw.
Rickshaw?
Yes. It was so fun. You have to be like, rickshaw, rickshaw. It was so fun.
Just the liberty of
Yeah.
being able to go anywhere,
Yeah.
of course, with mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So coming to you, Chaitali. So इसने तो बता दिया कि इसको इंडिया में क्या मिस कर रही थी ये सबसे ज्यादा। अब आप ये मुझे बताएं कि जो इनका ट्रांजिशन रहा है, अब ये प्री टीन इयर्स में आ गई है। चलो एलिमेंट्री स्कूल तो फिर भी इट वाज एन इजी राइड। नाउ
Right.
इट्स मिडिल स्कूल। So what changes do you see in her as a preteen now? And जो इंडिया से अलग था, जो इंडिया और यूएस में डिफरेंट है।
इंडिया और यूएस का कल्चर सबसे पहले तो बहुत ही अलग है।
बहुत अलग है।
सो यहाँ पे ऐसे होता है कि वो स्कूल जाते हैं तो कभी कभी इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं कि यहाँ के बच्चे जैसे टेंट्रम शो करते हैं। सो ये अगर इंडिया में होता तो ऐसे टेंट्रम इतने नहीं आते जितना यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, तो वो एक चीज़ अलग है। और दूसरा, यहाँ पे जैसे हम एक न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में हैं, मी, माई हस्बैंड एंड माई 2 किड्स। पर वही चीज़ अगर हम जब इंडिया में होते हैं, जब जॉइंट फैमिली में होते हैं, सो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है कोई भी बच्चे के बड़े होने में। सो वो रीज़न की वजह से जो बच्चे में डेवलपमेंट होती है या उनमें जो एक ठहराव आता है, वो यहाँ पे लाना बीइंग लाइक हाँ बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपको उनको एज अ ग्रैंड पेरेंट पैम्पर भी करना है, एट द सेम टाइम एज अ पेरेंट आपको डिसिप्लिन भी करना है, तो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाती है। सो बट ये टेक्नोलॉजी एक अच्छी चीज़ है कि जहाँ जहाँ हमारी लिमिटेशंस आ जाती है वहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी हमें हेल्प करती है. व्हाट्सएप कॉल है या वीडियो कॉल है तो माई मॉम शी ऑलवेज या एंड उसको बताती है क्या सही है कैसे करना है गलत
इंटरप्ट करेंगे बिकॉज़
Yeah.
कुछ कहना चाहती
I
है.
know one way how it gets hard for Mama. Whenever she yells at me or my brother, we straight away call her mom and she gets in so much trouble.
Oh, so you get her in trouble when you are in trouble.
Yeah.
करेक्ट.
ये तो गेम खेल रही है. सरासर नाइंसाफी.
और जब भी बात बेटी की और बेटी की बच्चे की आती है तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हो वो ऑलवेज उनकी साइड लेते हैं.
Interest is more important than the principle.
Exactly,
right?
yes.
Okay, Devishi. So tell me this. We've talked about your dancing. Tell me more about TikTok. So how many hours a day do you spend on TikTok?
Okay, I don't really make that many TikToks because
Not anymore.
Yeah, not anymore, really.
Okay.
Because I don't really have that much good lighting, and also, I don't like to clean anymore.
You don't like to clean? What
Yeah,
does TikTok have to do with cleaning?
Because it has to be a good background, good lighting.
So
li-
she
lip sync, everything.
perfectionist.
Yes.
So you need everything perfect in the
And
background.
if it's not perfect, and if I still make it, my parents get mad at me. You do that, okay? Do not deny it.
Sassy little girl. All right. So now you're not making any more TikToks. And
I made one recently.
not as many as
Yeah.
you used to. Okay. So now you're focusing mainly on baking and cooking, which your mom does.
Yeah.
So
मेरे काम बढ़ाने का पूरा फोकस है इसका.
because ये तो पका कर हट
हाँ.
जाएगी, साफ सफाई हमें
हमें
करनी
करना
No,
पड़ेगी.
but I still
Yes.
do clean, okay?
Yeah.
I clean a
Sure, you do. Sure.
I
Okay.
do.
Now tell me about your singing. I've heard you sing and your voice is pretty mesmerizing. So have you trained in singing or is it
No.
something you've just watched
I
and learned?
just do it.
You just do
Yeah.
it. Okay. Do you have something you're gonna sing for me today as well?
Yes.
Did you prepare?
Yeah.
Oh wow, she is a smart girl. इसको पता था पहले से ही कि पूछने वाली.
She is just one remote button away from whatever you say.
talking.
Yeah.
All right, but so are you, right?
So are you.
See?
So are
We
you.
caught her off guard. All right.
Yeah.
So go for it, Devishi. Let's hear you sing. आइए देखते हैं कि इन्होंने हमारे लिए क्या प्रिपेयर किया है, कौन सा गाना है, बॉलीवुड का है या रिलीजियस है. Let's see.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे खिलाते नहीं.
Wow, that was absolutely mesmerizing.
यूजुअली आप क्वेश्चन करते हो, मुझे चाहिए कि अभी मैं आपको बोलूँ कि आप इसको ये क्वेश्चन करो कि ये लास्ट लाइन का मीनिंग क्या है उसकी लाइफ में.
ये लास्ट लाइन का मीनिंग क्या है आपकी लाइफ में?
यस. बोलो.
बोलो.
Okay.
मम्मा
I don't like to eat by myself.
Uh-huh.
I want mommy to feed me.
Still?
Yes.
How old are you?
11.
And you still want mommy to feed
Yeah,
you?
because it doesn't taste as good.
Oh, well, that's an emotional response. I can't even say anything to that.
वो कहती है कि मुझे सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं होता अगर मैं अपने से खाती हूँ, अगर आप खिलाते हो तो मुझे लगता है आई एम फुल.
तो इसीलिए तो कह रही है माँ यशोदा के जैसे खिला.
आई नो, बट माँ यशोदा इज लाइक पानी पूरी वाला. सो इनको खिलाओ, इनको खिलाओ, इनको खिलाओ, फिर खाओ. सो माँ यशोदा इज लाइक पानी पूरी वाला.
Hey, you should give your mommy a break. I
I
understand.
do. I eat sometimes.
Okay, good. As long as you're doing it sometimes, okay. We will work on it. All right. So Devishi, tell me this. Why did you choose a religious song over some Bollywood number? Because I know kids and they always go towards Bollywood. So what inspired you to go towards religious?
Because every night before we sleep, we listen to religious songs and it really makes me fall asleep. And also I want to make mommy.
Well, आप लोगों का बॉन्ड देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक ओके ये होता है बॉन्डिंग मम्मी एंड डॉटर का जो आज के जमाने में देखने नहीं मिलता. सो ये मतलब ये अभी हुआ है जो ये प्री टीन इयर्स में जा रही है या बचपन से आपके साथ बहुत बॉन्डिंग है इसकी?
बचपन से ही वो मुझे और मेरे हस्बैंड को एज अ पेरेंट्स लेती ही नहीं है. लाइक वी आर जस्ट लाइक फ्रेंड्स. वो बात भी ऐसे ही करती है जैसे कि वी आर जस्ट फ्रेंड्स, लाइक हम लोग एक फ्रेंड्स साथ में रह रहे हैं.
तो बहुत अच्छी बात है ये. जैसे जैसे बड़ी होंगी सारी सीक्रेट्स आपके साथ शेयर करती रहेंगी.
हाँ, वो तो
right?
करती है.
Alright, let me ask you some fun questions now as we are nearing the end of the episode, right? Yeah. Okay, so Devishi, tell me this. If you had to pick between India and America, where would you stay?
India.
India? Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. What is your favorite Indian food?
Indian food. Tawa pulao.
तवा पुलाव.
Yes.
अच्छा, मम्मा बनाती है?
No.
नहीं, मम्मा नहीं बनाती. अच्छा, पर मम्मा की हाथ की पाव भाजी बहुत अच्छी है. वो
Yeah.
मैंने ट्राई की है. Alright. So, अच्छा ये बताना कि आपकी favorite, what's your favorite Bollywood movie?
My favorite. कुछ कुछ होता है.
Really?
Yes.
कुछ होता है. कुछ होता है क्यों?
I don't know.
You just like the movie?
Yeah.
No specific reason?
No.
Not that you love Shah Rukh Khan or
No.
nothing? Okay, no specific reason. Alright. So, if you had to take away one day of the week, what day would you take away?
Monday.
Why?
Because you have so much fun on the weekends and then just get up on Monday, go
And
to
go to
school. No.
Understandable. I would do that too. मतलब इसके आगे कुछ बोलने
ये
के
सबकी
लिए-
प्रॉब्लम है.
अच्छा ये बताना कि tell me one thing that makes you feel smart that you do.
Smart.
Hmm.
What makes me feel smart? Okay, I don't really know that.
No. Okay. Next question. No problem. Okay. ये बताओ कि let's see. If you and your family ever go out to eat, what's your favorite restaurant and why?
Honest.
Honest and why?
Because of tawa pulao, like I mentioned, and also because it's a family restaurant.
अच्छा, okay, सही है. Alright, अभी ये पूछना चाहती हूँ मैं हिंदी में कि अगर आप इस दुनिया में कहीं भी जा सकते वेकेशन के लिए तो आप कहाँ जाते?
Vacation.
हाँ, वेकेशन. इतना अच्छा मौका.
Goa.
गोवा क्यों?
I like swimming.
You like swimming? Well, you could have gone to Miami.
It's okay.
इंडिया जाना ही है तो वो चीज जगह भी इंडिया की चूज होगी ना.
Alright, इंडिया जाना. बिल्कुल बात तो सही कही आपने. बात तो सही कही. Okay, last and not the least. If I asked you what's your biggest dream right now?
Dream
Yes.
right now.
Yes. It could be
Go to India.
Go to India. Enough of India.
No, why? But I really do. That is my biggest
Okay,
dream.
what would you want to be if that's the question? Your biggest dream, what you want to be in life?
What I want to be in life.
Yes.
Okay, I have a lot of things I want to be.
Pick two.
Pick two. Lawyer and fashion designer.
All right. Thank you so much, Devishi, for being on the show.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Chaitali, for bringing her.
Most welcome.
She is a talented daughter, जिसने इतने easily यहाँ पर अभी गाना भी गा लिया, dialogue delivery भी कर ली. So, hats off to you. And without any training. You are her only training. So that is very nice. Thank you. Keep doing what you're doing and you will go places in life. That's it for today, guys. This is it for our show, Little Superstars on NTV Houston. Until next week. This is me, Pooja. Bye.
धूम पिचक धूम पिचक धूम धूम पिचक धूम धूम पिचक धूम पिचक धूम धूम पिचक धूम दिल से दिल की बातें कहते हैं सच के साथ रहते हैं बस आगे ही बढ़ते हैं ना कभी किसी से डरते हैं हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार
रंग मस्ती के उड़ाते हैं चमके धूम मचाते हैं आए